Additel offers an impressive selection of pressure calibration accessories that make a technician's job easier and faster than ever before. Starting with adapters, Additel offers the 102 series, which are designed to be used with all their pumps and manifolds that have 1/4-inch NPT hand-tight quick connectors. Any device with NPT, BSP, or metric threads can be adapted to screw into the hand-tight adapter of an Additel pump. The 102 series will require Teflon tape or other sealants to make a leak-free connection and can be used to 15,000 psi. The ADT 102 also comes with a hose test kit, which consists of 5 feet of flexible hose to a hand-tight quick connection. The 103 series of adapters are hand-tight quick connectors that eliminate the need for Teflon tape or sealants. These adapters screw directly into the Additel pumps or manifolds and then the test device with NPT, BSP, or metric threads that can be installed on the adapter with no tools or sealants. A right-angle quick connector allows pressure gauges with back mount fittings to be tested in the proper orientation. All 103 series adapters can be used to 15,000 psi. The 104 series of adapters is designed for the Additel 949 high pressure pump and has 1/4-inch autoclave male to all sizes of NPT, BSP, and metric threads. The Additel 100 series hose test kits are designed to extend your pressure calibrations to a convenient location and to adapt from one pressure connection to another. Each test kit has 5 feet of flexible hose rated to 15,000 psi, which connects a male NPT, BSP, or metric connector to a variety of female quick connectors. Additel quick connectors allow for hand-tight connection without the need for wrenches or Teflon tape. Additel 120 series pressure manifolds are designed for expanding pressure test ports during pressure calibration. The Additel 121 pressure manifold is used for pneumatic pressure calibration up to 3,000 psi or 200 bar, while the Additel 123 manifold is compatible with hydraulic pressure applications up to 15,000 psi or 1,000 bar. A filter is built in with the 121 pneumatic pressure manifold to prevent contamination introduced by devices under test. There are 4 hand-tight quick connectors pre-installed on each manifold, and customers can select from NPT, BSP, or metric threads. 102 and 103 series adapters can be used to connect to other thread types and sizes. Additel adapters, hoses, and manifolds are the ideal complement to their full line of pressure pumps, digital gauges, and calibrators. For more information, visit Additel's website at www.additel.com.